Hi, you're welcome to this YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete a YouTube channel permanently. This comes into play especially once you have a YouTube channel that you see is not really productive. So what's the essence of you keeping them? Or maybe you don't really have the chance to work on them, so you want to delete them. So this exactly is actually cool in that situation. So if this is what you want to do, then you are right on this channel, and I'll be showing you how to do that using the simple steps. Of course, we are using the desktop version, because even if you are using the mobile version, you have to go to YouTube Studio, and it's easier on the desktop version because you can easily see what you want to do. So that's the reason why I said let me shoot this tutorial video using the desktop version. So in case you're coming across this channel for the first time, Chibuzo Agua is my name. I'm Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. It's actually a technology-based channel and a tutorial-based channel. So if you want to be part of this channel so that I get the notification once I put up my next video, you can simply hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, and you are good to go. So once you've done that, now let's jump into this tutorial video. So as you can see, I've already opened YouTube, and we are here on YouTube. So the first thing you should be very, very careful of is that you should select the exact channel you want to delete. For instance, as I logged in YouTube, automatically I'm on this very channel you are watching. So this is not the channel I want to delete. So the next thing you have to do is to switch to the channel you want to delete. So now once you tap on the your YouTube logo icon at the top right hand corner, you now see where it says switch account. You now click on it. So see the default email, the first account is actually the default Gmail account, and the other ones are actually business YouTube accounts. So I want to delete this very one. So as you can see, it's stick on this YouTube channel you're watching. So I don't want to delete this very one. So I have to select this very YouTube channel, the second one, which is Factological TV. That's the name right there. So automatically, so I switch to this, you see the logo has changed from Blog Infotech YouTube channel to this very one I want to delete. So now once you're here, you now tap on the icon also and navigate to YouTube Studio. So once you're here on YouTube Studio, just place your concentration at the left hand corner. You see where it says settings. As you can see, my mouse cursor is actually hovering over it. So you now tap on settings. No, hold on, I made a mistake. You have to tap on settings. I actually clicked on subtitle. So now once you're here now, you now click on channel. Once you're in channel, you now click on the advanced settings column. So now open this page. You now scroll below. Hold on. Now actually scroll below. Let me control my mouse properly. Now scroll to the bottom. Says you see other settings. You see manage your YouTube account. You also see remove YouTube content. This manage your YouTube account is used to add all that Gmail. Then you maybe if you want to transfer this very YouTube channel, you can transfer to the person. But I want to delete it outrightly, and that's if you want to do. You now select the second option, which says remove YouTube channel. So once it's here, it's actually going to ask you for your Gmail password to be sure that you are the right person. So now let me input in my password, then I'll be right back. So that's my password. I'll have to now click on next. And of course, this consent page will actually pop up. You say remove YouTube content. So hide or delete your content from YouTube. You have to like choose which one you want to do. If you say I want to hide my content, you actually select the first one. If you say I want to delete permanently, which is what you want to do, you now select yes, I want to delete permanently. Of course, other prompts and messages will pop up. Let's read them. Say this will permanently delete your YouTube data associated with Factological TV. Select all the following to confirm that you understand that. So to make sure you're actually giving YouTube consent, the go ahead to delete it. So yes, 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 my 8 videos, everything, any paid subscription, I want to delete it. So you now click on delete my content. And of course, it will now ask you, this prompt will now come and say, this will permanently delete all your YouTube content, including all your videos, playlists, likes, subscriptions, comments, messages, search history, and watch history. This data can't be restored. It is a warning, so you have to be sure that you want to do so. You say, please confirm by typing your channel name Factological TV. So you have to type them out. Ensure you didn't make mistakes in any portion. Type out the right this thing. Now you now click on delete my content. Updating, so you say you remove YouTube content. So your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes, but can take up to a couple of days if you have lots of content. As you can see, I don't really have much content on that YouTube channel. So you can see the condition by which determines the duration why which the channel will permanently deleted. If you have lots of content to take some minutes, I mean few days actually, and if you have few contents, just a time of minutes. So this is how you can actually use or follow to delete your YouTube channel permanently. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also if you are still confused in any section, come to the comment section below, ask your question. Feel free to share this video to your friends who want to learn how to delete their YouTube channel permanently. So we'll see you on the next one once you've hit the subscription button, and of course you can also still go to the playlist of this channel, watch other tutorial based video, and like I will always say, I'm giving you a beer hug and welcoming you to the channel. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.